Gallbladder and bile duct cancer. Gallbladder cancer is cancer in the tissues of the gallbladder. Cancer can also develop in bile ducts that carry bile from the liver. It is called cholangiocarcinoma and is an aggressive type of cancer. Symptoms include yellow skin and eyes, intensely itchy skin, and stool that is white in color. Women are at a higher risk of developing gallbladder cancer. Sign and symptoms of gallbladder cancer and cholangiocarcinoma. There are no early signs of cholangiocarcinomas. The signs of gallbladder cancer may mimic that of some other persisting medical conditions. Your treating doctor, after doing some basic investigations, can confirm the diagnosis. While symptoms usually do not develop until a tumor has grown or the cancer is at an advanced stage, but being aware of the possible symptoms and discussing them with a doctor may help in early diagnosis. Most common symptoms are upper right abdominal pain, yellowing of skin and eyes due to accumulation of the bile, intensely itchy skin, loss of appetite, nausea and bloating, feeling of lumps in the abdomen, fever, abnormal colored like black or white or tarry stools, unexplained weight loss and fatigue. Causes and risk factors of Although the exact cause of gallbladder cancer or cholangiocarcinoma are unknown, certain factors may increase a person's risk of developing gallbladder cancer. Age, gender, ethnicity, obesity, lifestyle, and family history are the major risk factors. Medical conditions that increases risk of gallbladder cancer or cholangiocarcinoma are gallstones, porcine bladder, choledochal cyst, gallbladder polyps, primary sclerosing cholangitis, a chronic liver disease, liver parasites, an older age. The name you can trust for your specialized medical treatment needs in India: CMCS Health. Diagnosis of cholangiocarcinoma and bladder cancer. An accurate gallbladder cancer or cholangiocarcinoma diagnosis is the first step in developing a treatment plan. Following diagnostic tests are needed for making a diagnosis for bladder cancer and cholangiocarcinomas. Blood test for liver function and tumor markers like CEA and CA19-9. Cholangiopancreatography, that is ERCP. Imaging tests like X-rays, MRIs, ultrasounds, CT scan and PET CT. An ultrasound or CT guided biopsy. Gallbladder or cholangiocarcinoma treatments in India may involve surgery, a Whipple surgery, chemotherapy, or cytoreductive therapy with HIPEC, radiation therapy, in certain cases, a liver transplant may be needed. Photodynamic therapy, and biliary drainage. The name you can trust for your specialized medical treatment needs in India: CMCS Health. For medical queries regarding gallbladder and bile duct cancer or cholangiocarcinoma, send all the medical and investigation reports to us. We will get you opinion about the treatment course and the cost from the best of the Indian cancer specialist doctors. Our association with 84 Indian hospitals in all major cities can provide medical treatment for every need and every budget.